Today I will be showing you a tutorial on how to update your laptop or desktop to Windows 11. In order to do that, you will need to register your Microsoft account for beta channel. For that, click on Start, then go to Settings, select Update and Security. Under that, select Windows Insider Program. There you will get option of Get Started. Select it and then follow on-screen instructions to register your Microsoft account. In that, you will also get an option to select the beta channel. Click on it, and once registration is completed, go to Windows Update and see if any update available. You will see Windows 11 Insider Preview is available. Click Download. Once Windows 11 update is downloaded and installed, you will get button for restart. Click on it and your laptop will restart. Windows 11 will be successfully installed on it.